Hi everyone. We live in strange times, and we sometimes have to do things in slightly unusual ways. And whilst we've been quite focused, for all sorts of very good reasons, on the response to the COVID pandemic, actually one of the things that also happened in the background is that we have reached the end of our seasonal flu campaign. And I'm doing this video really as a bit of a shout out to all of the bits of the organisation and in our partners and stakeholders who've done a fantastic job this year in achieving our flu vaccination rates. I would particularly call out in primary care St David's practice and the Solver practice, who hit all three of the Welsh Government and local targets, and that's not easy to do, I can tell you. As well as Borth, Colebrook, Llangennech, Penygroes, who made huge strides this year. And for the health board and our own services, there's a whole range of departments and wards now who hit their targets, and in some cases exceeded those targets. And of course, in achieving these things, it's all about how we protect our patients and our colleagues. So thank you for all doing that. We did plan to have a bit of a get together to celebrate this, and clearly in these very strange times, that's not something that we can do easily right now. So whilst I wanted to come out and present these rather lovely awards to all of you, sadly we're going to have to post them out to you, but I didn't want it to go by without marking the occasion and giving my personal thanks and the thanks from the whole board on what you've done. So we will get these out to you. Keep an eye out for them. And I guess the last thing to say, in addition to that thanks, is we're now starting to think about the next flu season. And of course, this year maybe had some of its challenges, but next year we're going to have the additional challenge of trying to do this in a world where we still have COVID circulating. But given the fantastic work that the people I've mentioned, the organisations I've mentioned have done, I'm really confident that we can yet again have a really successful season. So thank you all. Thank you for all you've done. Look forward to seeing your awards out there, and when this is all over, I look forward to seeing you all. Thank you.